Hi there guys, new video, new series, Project Zippy. Yep, so that is Zippy, the yellow beast under here, and yeah, he's off the road for the winter now and needs a bit of attention. So today I'm going to take the cover off for first time in about 2 weeks, and then we will bring it in here, reverse it in here where I changed the engine and subscribers mini. We're pulling the engine out because it's got an issue where it is dragging once the engine gets hot. There's something dragging in the gearbox or the torque converter, and it's causing it to stall basically unless you keep throttle on when you come to a stop. So yeah, that's a pain in the backside. So yeah, the engine's coming out. The engine will get painted before it goes back in, and I think I may strip out the engine bay and paint the engine bay as well, as it's say I've got plenty of time over winter to get it sorted. And then the steering rack needs replacing as well, do the subframe mounts and just a few other bits over winter to tidy it up ready for next year. So yeah, that's where we're at. Unfortunately I forgot to bring my GoPro today, so no actual action shots, but today I'm just going to put a couple of hours in after work just stripping bits off the engine, ready to remove it, so I'm not going to pull it out today. So yeah, so I'm recording this off my phone today as I forgot the GoPro. So yeah, I'll move some bits, pull the cover off, and we'll see if it'll fire up, because I didn't disconnect the battery, and I say it's been sat 2 weeks, so the battery wasn't particularly strong. Right, let's crack on. Hey, there he is uncovered. Right, yeah, I put it on steel wheels so I don't ruin the tyres, by the way. Old knackered tyres on these. Let's hop in and see if it will fire up. God, it's not easy getting in here. Let me tell you that from the other side. Right, key in. Let's put my foot on the brake in case it decides to try and move. Plenty of choke. We have lights. Hey, come on. Well, hey, he's alive, and even the radio's working. Right, okay, I'll give it a second to warm up. Best open the door, and then we'll get him out of here. Right then guys, that is me done for today. So yeah, car moved inside. I don't know if I showed you that or not. I don't think I did. Yeah, moved in, grill off, bonnet off, and well, as you can see, a whole host of stuff now missing, all down here. So yeah, that's me done for today. Going home, and I'll be back tomorrow after work. I've not done that much really, but just nipped in after work really. So gotta make time when I can. So yeah, that's where we're at. So this is a horribly familiar sight really, because only in April, and now it's almost exactly 7 months later, I'm pulling the engine out again, because it was out in April as well when the torque converter went bang, and then my replacement one's not happy. So yeah, right, yeah, leave it at that. I'm going home. I'll be back tomorrow, and I'll remember to bring the blooming GoPro. So yeah, there we go. Right, cheers for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.